Alright guys, welcome back. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this QR code thingy-mapoodle over here. And I'm going to scan this because I don't want to unseal it and then find out that I needed it for some reason. So once you ruin it, that's it, isn't it? It did not do anything fun. Or useful, for that matter. So I don't know. Maybe I'll scan this one. Let's go back. Why don't we scan this one and see what that does? Nothing useful there either. So, okay, fine. Then I'll just open this. And inside we have the instruction manual, obviously, but then where's the Q? Maybe this is the QR code that I need. The future of possible. We are here for you. Well, let's see if you're here for me, because so far I scanned 2 QR codes and none of them worked. So this better be the 3 times the charm kind of deal. Come on. Come on, be the one. You're just promoting you guys are just promoting each other or what? Is that what's going on here? What am I supposed to do? The two-way charging hub. Disclaimer, safety guidelines. Don't fly into other planes. Yes, obviously. Don't chase your kids with your drone. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a painful experience. I can just already tell. The Fly app. There we go. Maybe I should have just opened this up right here. But maybe they should also have this on the box. Why bother? Why bother making it so hidden that you have to open these instructions to find it? No, what did I just scan? Shiver me timbers, as they say. I want this one. Okay, there. It clearly didn't. Okay, there we go. Okay, so make sure. Don't need to scan any of the other QR codes. Just scan the one that's on side in the quick start guide over here. That's the one you want, and then you'll be able to get it. All right. Well, that was an interesting adventure, and I truly believe that they could have done a better job of that. They could have had it on the box. They could have had it in a bunch of different places, and made it easier for the beginner user to get through that information. Anyway, cool. See you in the next one, guys, when we'll do more troubleshooting and hopefully get this up in the air sometime this week. Cool.